Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today we are going to talk about Safuu. I'm gonna give you an update regarding this project. Let me give you a short introduction for those of you who don't know what it is. It's an auto staking protocol. This means you buy the tokens, keep them in your wallet, and you get rewards every 15 minutes. Simple as that. If you would like to buy it, you simply click here, and here you can buy them, for example, with BNB or whatever you have in your wallet. Okay, so let me show you the chart. I made a video at the end of June, and the price of Safuu was at about $14. And now it is at about $21. So that's roughly a 50% increase in price. So just imagine if you would have invested $1,000 at the end of June, now you would be sitting at about $1,500. So crazy price increase. And you also have to keep in mind that actually the entire crypto market is going down or has been going down, and Safuu is actually just going up. It's doing the exact opposite. So crazy development. And let me also show you some more. For example, the market cap. Can you see it? I will zoom out a little bit. Sorry. You can see the market cap is up at $98.5 million. So crazy increase also in the market cap. Let me show you my account. Here you see my balance. This means my holdings. Right now, I have about $10,479.03 worth of Safuu. And as you can see, if the price stays the same, then every 5 days I get about $1,253.94 more. Just by doing nothing, just by sitting here or going to the beach and waiting. Just by chilling, relaxing, and waiting. I get about $1,250 every 5 days. Crazy, If you go to the calculator here, you can see my holdings right now, and if the price would stay the same in 30 days, I would have $20,637. And you also have to keep in mind this happens just by doing nothing. You buy the tokens one time, put them in your wallet, or they are then in your wallet, and you get the rewards every day. So as always guys, this is no financial advice. I just want to show you those projects, and I'm not planning to sell any of my Safuu because they are also working on a blockchain. And the white paper is going to be released tomorrow, 9th of July. And usually there are not so many projects that have their own blockchain, but usually if a project has their own blockchain, then the price usually explodes. For example, all the projects that introduced their own blockchain usually went up in price. No financial advice. Always do your own research before you invest your money. But I'm not planning to sell any of my Safuu. I see this as a long-term project and also long-term investment. And if the price, just if the price stays the same, you make a lot of money because you get those rewards. And just imagine if they introduce their own blockchain and the price explodes, and your investment, guess what, will also explode. Always do your own research and don't invest any money blindly, so to say. If you like this video guys, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them in the comments, and see you.